Who doesn't love a spicy fried chicken burger? So today I thought I'd show you how to make a nice and easy one at home. Now the first thing is you want to prepare your chicken. I like to marinate mine in some buttermilk to tenderize and flavour the chicken. Now I usually like to use thighs, but today I had some large chicken breasts in my fridge, and to better fit my burger, I thought I'd trim the long pointed end off, creating some tasty chicken tender treats in the process. In a large snaplock bag, place your prepared chicken. I like to chop up some shallots, squash some garlic, and chop half a jalapeno and place these in the bag with the chicken. Then pour in about a cup of buttermilk over the chicken and the spices. The acidity in the buttermilk really helps to tenderize the chicken, while the aromatics help to flavour the buttermilk and the chicken. Now if you like some extra spice, squeeze in some hot chili sauce on top too. Now lock it all in, massage the mixture into the chicken and place it into the fridge. You'll get away with about 15 minutes if you're in a rush, but I recommend at least 2 hours or up to overnight to achieve the greatest tender and flavourful chicken. When you're ready to cook, all you need to do is grab some flour and add some salt and pepper, chili powder, onion and garlic powder, and then you're good to go. Dip the chicken into the flour mixture, making sure to press the flour into it so there's no wet bits, and then you're ready to cook. So today I'm going to be using my deep fryer, but feel free to use your air fryer or to shallow fry. I'm heating my oil to about 180 degrees Celsius before cooking my chicken piece by piece for about 5 to 6 minutes, until a nice golden crust is achieved. I like to cook the tenders first so I can snack on them while the main breasts are cooking. Now to assemble the burger, toast your buns in a pan and prepare your fillings. Chop up some tomatoes into slices, break off some large leaves of butter lettuce or cos lettuce, and cut some pickles if you so desire. I'm whipping up a quick spicy mayo here with some Kewpie, sriracha chili sauce, and a tiny sprinkle of garlic powder. It's basic, I know, but this burger is basic, and delicious of course. Spread your mayo on each bun, top with some lettuce and some pickles, then place your chicken and optionally some cheese on top of that. Then add your tomatoes and top the bun with a little bit of extra mayo because you can never have too much. Place the lid on it and give it a gentle press. And look at that! Enjoy this tasty chicken burger. It may not be the biggest or the most complex, but it comes together quickly and simply in desperate times.